Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on root 7. Root 7 is the surd that doesn't simplify and doesn't apologise. There's no clean fractional approximation, no famous angle that produces it, no friendly geometry that tidies it up. Sometimes the answer is just simply root 7. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when that's the correct final answer and when to keep simplifying. Quick identity check. Root 7 is positive. Root 7 is irrational. Root 7 is algebraic. It solves x squared equals 7. And as a decimal, it's approximately 2.64575. Memorize 2.64 as a rough working value. It sits between 2.5 and 3. A quick mental check for sense. Multiples of root 7, 2 root 7, 3 root 7, 4 root 7. Same surd handling as every other. K times root 7 equals k root 7, kept in exact form. Don't decimalize. The point of leaving root 7 as a surd is precision. 2.64575 is fine for a sense check, but the exact value is just root 7. Powers of root 7. Root 7 to the 0 is 1. Root 7 to the 1 is root 7. Squared is 7. Cubed is 7 root 7. Fourth is 49. Fifth is 49 root 7. The pattern is identical to every surd we've covered. Even powers give clean integer powers of 7. Odd powers tack a root 7 on. 49 is the one to lock in. It's 7 squared everywhere on the paper. The surd that won't budge, pi, has a famous rough approximation, 22 over 7. Root 2 has a neat geometric interpretation, the diagonal of a unit square. Root 5 lives inside phi, but root 7, it has no clean fractional approximation, no famous angle, and no friendly geometric setup. Sometimes the answer to a Pythagoras or a surd question really is just root 7. Knowing when to stop simplifying is half the skill. Key relationships. Root 7 squared equals 7. Root 7 is roughly 2.646. 1 over root 7 equals root 7 over 7. That's the rationalized form. Surd simplifications. Root 28 equals 2 root 7. Root 63 equals 3 root 7. Root 112 equals 4 root 7. And root 7 to the 4th equals 49. Where root 7 shows up in your exam, simplifying surds like root 28, root 63, root 112, root 175, rationalizing 1 over root 7 into root 7 over 7, Pythagoras problems where the squared sides don't tidy up and the answer is genuinely a surd, indices, root 7 to the 4th equals 49, and surd answers that don't simplify any further than root 7. Where root 7 hides, anywhere you see root 28, root 63, root 112, root 175, that's a hidden root 7. Pythagoras on legs 1 and root 6 gives a hypotenuse of root 7. Root 7 squared equals 7. Root 7 to the 4th equals 49. And if a surd answer looks awkward and you can't simplify it, double check whether it's already in its simplest form. Sometimes the answer just is root 7. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks, one for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.